In this quick video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sew on the sandal straps for the Japanese kimono doll, like this foot right here. So if you follow along with the pattern and you get to the part where I prompt you to sew the sandal straps, what you're going to do is make sure you have a long length of that yarn tail you use to crochet the shoe part. And just go ahead and snip off a generous length, and you're going to use that for sewing on the sandals. Now if you don't have, or if you want to use a different color, you can go ahead, just cut a short tail, weave it in, and sew a different color as well. Now to begin, I like to start from the very center of the foot, so I'm going to poke it out from the center stitch here, and then I'm going to make sure the sandal goes across like so, and I want to make sure it's about the same length here so it matches my other foot. And I went over by 1, 2, 3, 4 stitches, so I'll go over by 1, 2, 3, 4 here. And I also put a stitch on top to secure this so it's not flappy, so I'm going to put that up here as well, up here. So when I poke my yarn needle out like so and pull through, it's going to keep the sandal strap from falling down all the way. So I'm going to sew that in right there, go back into that same stitch, like so. And you'll do the same on the other side. So here for the second strap, I'm going to insert my insert my needle through the center again. And I'm going to pull this over here on this side. Make sure I count over the right number of stitches I want. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm also going to insert my needle out here so that my strap can stay up instead of falling over into the shoe area. So I'm going to hold that tight, pull that tight, and insert my needle back there to hold up this yarn. All right, and there you have it. That makes the sandal straps. And if you continue with the pattern, you will go ahead and work on the rest of the leg.